What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I got something pretty cool for you. We got a brand new episode of Killer Combos. I don't even remember when the last episode of Killer Combos was. I don't even remember what it was over or what it was, when it was. I think we can all agree it's just been way too long. So I thought to myself, what better way to close out this year of content than with a brand new episode of Killer Combos? And I got a fresh pair of products here today that I think are definitely worthy of the title. Alright, so for people that may not have seen the Killer Combo segment before, what this is a segment where I show you products that work together to create specific looks, work together to do some pretty awesome things, or simply products that just work well together. Today's combo was brought to my Today's combo was brought to my attention through the slick hair community on Facebook. Over the past few months, I've seen a ton of posts about how the Powermade made for a great combo with a few different things, and it really sparked my curiosity. The Powermade is one that I discussed, of course, a couple of times here by itself. It has its own attributes, and of course, the Golddigger is a wax that you know I've been using forever, one that I use by itself all the time. And before I show you the results of this combo, let me show you why this is a good combination to start with. Let me show you what it is about these two products that just works together. You see, it's all about balance, and these two together give you just that, because you got the hold from one and the lightweight slickness from the other. And for me, it really results in a totally different product. Now, you guys already know I love Golddigger by itself. I use it all the time. It works great in my hair since they did that reformulation, and it's one that I get a lot of awesome results with. The Powermade, on the other hand, doesn't quite have the hold on its own to tame my thick hair, but what I noticed about the posts I saw, and then what I noticed about my own experience after trying this out, was that it totally changes up the game here. It evens out the Golddigger. It takes away a lot of that stickiness that the Golddigger has on its own. Again, I don't mind that stickiness. It is a wax. It's one of the things I do like about it, but this segment is all about showing you how to use your products in new ways. And for me, adding in the Powermade just really makes this feel like a new product. It makes it feel totally new. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. I'm of course demoing this today on clean dry hair, no added pre-stylers or enhancers, anything like that, and we're gonna make this easy and just go with 1 scoop of the Golddigger and 1 scoop of the Powermade pomade, equal portions of each, and I'm gonna mix them together and just apply it right to my hair as one unified force of nature. And what you're seeing happen here, as I add in 1 more set of each, so I'm doing 2 rounds of the cocktail, is the Powermade is making it slicker, allowing the hold of the Golddigger to be more evenly applied in high doses. So the result here is that great hold blanketed across the hair with a low to natural shine that looks awesome and is so easy to style with. It's slick enough so that you can use a wide or fine tooth comb, whatever you want to use, and really you can create whatever type of look you want with this cocktail. You can polish it up, use that great hold to get a pomp, a real tight contour or slick back, or you can give it a bit of a looser look, almost polished, but with a little separation in there for some character. The point is, this combo gives you options, great options for great looks. Now, like I said a minute ago, this combo ends up feeling like a totally different product. In some ways, it feels really like a pomade, a really good holding pomade. It's slick, it's sticky, but it's still smooth from the Golddigger there. It's just great. It feels really like a great holding pomade. And as you just saw, it pretty much styles like one too. And for those that are wondering, yes, it does hold up all day. In fact, here's a look at that same style 8 hours later. You can see it pretty much hasn't budged. It's totally intact. All the hold from the product is still very much present, and the style is totally pliable. So you can run your hands through it or a comb and reshape it if you want without losing any hold. Really, I gotta say, for me, it's combos like this that make this segment worth pursuing. I was really impressed with how it turned out, and actually I'm really glad I tried this because, like I said, the Powermade on its own isn't quite enough for me to use it in my hair, so it was just pretty much sitting on the shelf doing nothing, and now it's going to get used. I'm going to use this cocktail a lot. I think it works great. It works really well for the days that my hair is feeling super thick between haircuts and it's just not working with stuff that usually works with. It gets like that usually once a week. So I'll be using cocktails like this so that I can get through to my next haircut, where my hair will then finally start to cooperate again. And of course, I think that'll be true for other people with thick hair as well. Some of you guys that got that super thick hair that requires a product with a lot of hold, I definitely think this has a lot of potential to create that hold that you guys might need. I think it's a great option for you guys with that hair type. For you guys with fine hair, I think obviously you could just use less and get the hold you want. I think it's got unlimited possibilities. I mean, you don't have to use the Golddigger either. You could use the Silver Fox if you want and get a completely different result. There's a lot of possibilities, and this is really just opening a window to a bunch of different things to be explored when it comes to mixing the Powermade with other things from the line. If you do want to check out these two products, or really anything from the ByVilain lineup, I do have an exclusive channel discount for you guys that will save you money. Just type in code MMTV at the Slick Hair Shop. That will get you that exclusive discount. And just so you know, that info is listed in every video for those that may need or want that information. If you did enjoy this video though, make sure you tap that like button for me there, and of course you need to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, for those that may not have noticed, the Christmas giveaway is going on right now. There's a few days left. It will close at midnight on New Year's Eve, so if you want to enter that, I will leave that in the description for you as well. That is it though for today. Thank you so much for checking out this episode of Killer Combos. I will be back with you guys right here very soon, and until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.